So when you're arming, you can't go here and come up here. Unless it's that move. But when you're arming, you can't go army here, army here, army here. Nothing from the waist up should move. Nothing there should move. Nothing there should move. You don't want your feet. You don't want your feet in first position. You don't want your feet stuck together here, and you don't want the tops of your legs sticking together. Your thighs. You don't want to go like this either. Open them up and arming. One more thing. What the heck was I going to say? Make sure you tuck it all the way forward and you tuck it all the way back. I got to think about it. Make sure you take it all the way back.